For my next video, I'd like to do one on a really simplistic item / topic, and that's how to make a new screen on your home screen. I know this probably sounds like a dumb video, but to some people, you may or may not have known this. There's a lot of stuff out there that me personally were probably pretty simplistic and easy in some people's eyes, and I just missed it or never used it, and just so happened to run across it in a video like I'm about to do. So it's nice to do stuff like this every once in a while, because you never know if somebody's skill level isn't what everybody thinks it is. They may know more than I do, except for this item, etc., etc. You get what I'm trying to say. So I'm using Samsung S25 Ultra, by the way, first of all. So this will be for almost all iPhones, you could probably say. I have, again, the S25 Ultra with Android 16 and One UI 8 Beta 3. So anybody else that has less than that might look a little different, but it's going to be an awful lot of the same functionality. So first thing you do, there's a couple ways to do this, but I do it the easy way. So go ahead and pinch your screen, and now you can see all the different screens you have. Okay, so if you ever want to get into your news app, this is how you do this. I was contemplating on doing a video on the news app and how to get the different ones, but this will be another video, probably the next one I do, since we're already in this area of learning. So let's go ahead, and at the very bottom you can tap them to quickly move. Like there's my home button if you look at the bottom here. Yeah, now I'm going to come up with a theme. If I want the third page to the right, I type the third dot, or push the third dot, fourth dot. So that's how you can get to your pages quickly. So if I wanted to add a new page, obviously you would hit the plus button. So now when I exit out, I have my home page, my second, third, fourth, and then the new page, which is completely blank. Now, if I deleted, like say if I deleted these two apps, it doesn't automatically remove the screen. It'll keep the screen. So in order to delete the screen, as you probably have already figured out, at the very top you see the trash icon. You just hit that, and now your page is gone. The page you created. That's one saying, hey, if you want me, hit the plus button and I'll come on to be a new page. If you don't hit that, it's just going to sit there, and this, see if I can get out of here now. Okay, close them all. This will be my last screen, and as you see, if I try to go to the right by swiping left, I can't get to a new page because I deleted it. So that's my video on how to make and delete new pages on your home page. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.